Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my smart students. Welcome to my online class, Seminar on Thesis Proposal. I am Rosa, and in this video, I would like to explain some materials related to this course. In this occasion, we would like to learn about generic structure of thesis proposal using qualitative approach. This is a template for writing thesis proposal for undergraduate students. So the template and generic structure will depend on university guideline and it will be different one another. All slides in video this time will only discuss about the template and generic structure for chapter 1. In this slide, we can see the content of this template using qualitative approach. As introduction chapter, this content consists of background of the research questions, research objectives, and significance of the research. Since this is still proposal draft, the main grammatical tenses used in this template are simple present and simple future tense. And now we will discuss about table of contents in chapter 1. And as we can see, this chapter has 4 sub-chapters. The first sub-chapter is background of the research. It deals with the reason why you choose this topic of the study. The second one is research questions. Here you have to write your sentences and ask about what you want to investigate or what you want to observe in your study. The third one, research objectives. It is about the aims of your research question. And the last one, significance of the research. It deals with the significance of your research result or research findings. Pay attention on the example of the background of the research on this slide. Since this is qualitative approach, the researcher writes phenomena as the background of the study. Phenomena is one of characteristic of the research with qualitative approach, and it will be the reason why a researcher conducts a qualitative study. Let's read this example of background of the research and look at the first blue highlighted sentences. The sentences with blue highlighted can be seen as a phenomena, and it is supported by the first sentence in third paragraph. We can see the limitation of the topic as well in the second paragraph. While the second blue highlighted show us the future tense used in this chapter. It deals with her research activities that will be conducted, and she wrote it on her thesis proposal. Now we come to research question sub-chapter. Based on the background of the research, we can formulate our research question as follows. The first question is, what kind of characteristic do the lecturers have? And the second one, how can the characteristic of the lecturers affect teaching-learning process? The third question is, How do the students perceive the characteristic of a lecturer? We can see that all of research questions try to investigate or observe characteristics and perception. And the process of observation leads to phenomena as a characteristic of qualitative research. Objective of the research, or we can say research objective as well. There are 3 points in objective of the research. The first objective is to investigate kind of lecture's characteristic. And the second one, to investigate the effect of the lecture's characteristic into teaching learning process. The third one is to investigate the student's perception on characteristic of the lecturers. We can see here that all of the objective of the research try to answer the research question. So we can conclude that the objective of the research is the answer of the research question. Significance of the research. In this part, we can tell the readers that our research findings will be significantly useful and give important significance for other people. In this proposal example, the researcher expects that the result of her research will help the students opening their mind that their perceptions are needed in order to make teaching learning process better. The researcher also expects that the result of her research will show the lecturers about students' perceptions toward their characteristics, so they can consider teaching method or strategy that fits to the characteristic of both teachers and students to make teaching learning process better. Dear all students, we have discussed about how to write chapter 1 in a research proposal using qualitative approach. We will discuss about chapter 2 and 3 in other videos. Thank you for watching and see you.